Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Chevy Malibu and we're going to do the wheel chrome daily installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation. The rim has a chrome design, so we're going to apply gloss black material, that way it matches the color design of the rim that it already has. And for this one, the rim size is rim size 18, so make sure that the rim size that you have on your vehicle is the same as the one here. If your vehicle is a different size, it might be a little small or too big for the pre-cut film for the wheel chrome dailies. So make sure it matches the one we have here, which is rim size 18. With that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before starting the installation, we want to make sure we prep the rim. So use any cleaning solution that you have available and remove any contaminants or any coating that the rim might have. We want it to be clean before we do the installation. So once you finish prepping the rim, now we can start with the installation. So with this one, pretty simple installation. You just want to make sure you cover the chrome design of the rim. Align it from one end, making sure you're covering the chrome. Tack it down, work your way to the other, tack it down, and tack it down. And you would just do the same for this side here. So just work your way, tack it down. Now that we have this whole section tacked down, you can use your squeegee and start tacking down the whole film to the rim. And once you're done tacking down most of the flat surface, we could start applying heat around the curved areas. So heat around here and around the other curved areas around the rim here. Okay, and the same steps that we did for this one, you would just rinse and repeat for the remaining pieces here. And then once you're done installing the whole thing, we move on to the last piece, which is this middle section here. So the last piece to put would be this middle section here. So with this one, just align it from one end, match it to the design of the chrome. So match it roughly around there, tack it down, and just do the same with the rest. Just apply it as you go. And if you see you're not covering one end, just readjust it, but make sure you're covering all of the chrome. It should be roughly like this. And just apply heat to help it secure it into position and it doesn't lift over time. Okay, and the last thing to do once you finish with the whole installation is just using a heat gun or some type of heat device in order to post heat the whole rim and help it secure to the rim so the film doesn't lift over time. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the wheel chrome daily for the 2022 Chevy Malibu. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, that way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you on the next one.